Listen and practice English.
Hello, do you have time for a haircut today?
Yes, please have a seat.
Thank you. My hair's getting too long.
What kind of haircut would you like?
Just a simple trim, please.
Sure. How much would you like me to cut?
About 2 inches.
No problem. Would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, that would be nice.
Great. Please come this way.
This water feels relaxing.
I'm glad you like it.
Is the salon always this busy?
Usually on weekends, yes.
I can see many people waiting.
Everyone wants to look good for the weekend.
That makes sense.
Okay, your haircut is almost finished.
That was quick.
Please take a look in the mirror.
Wow, it looks much better now.
I'm happy you like it.
How much do I owe you?
It is $15.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the great haircut.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Why are you looking at your phone and smiling?
I found an old photo of us.
Really? Show me.
Look at our hair in this picture.
Oh, wow, my hair looks so funny.
Mine looks funny too.
We looked very different.
Yes, but we looked very happy.
This was our first trip together.
Yes, I remember it.
We got lost many times.
That is true.
And you did not ask anyone for help.
I thought I knew the way.
But you were wrong.
Yes, I was.
We had a lot of fun on that trip.
Yes, it was a great trip.
We should go on another trip soon.
That is a good idea.
We can take new photos.
Yes, and this time we will not get lost.
I hope so.
Me too.
Excuse me, are you okay?
Yes, I am okay, but my car is not.
That looks serious. What happened?
I heard a loud noise and then the tire came off.
Were you driving fast?
No, thankfully I was driving slowly.
That is lucky. You could have been hurt.
I know, I am still a little shocked.
Do you need any help?
I am not sure what to do next.
Have you called roadside assistance?
Not yet. My phone battery is almost dead.
You can use my phone if you want.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem. Safety comes first.
I was actually on my way to an important meeting.
That meeting can wait. Your safety is more important.
You are right.
Is anyone else in the car?
No, I am traveling alone today.
That is good. At least nobody was injured.
Yes, things could have been much worse.
The assistance truck should arrive soon.
Thank you for stopping and helping me.
Anyone would do the same.
Not everyone. You are very kind.
Look, I think the roadside assistance truck is coming.
Oh yes, I can see it now. Thank you again for your kindness.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Good afternoon. I need to send this package today.
Good afternoon. Sure, where are you sending it?
I am sending it to my cousin in another city.
Okay. Do you want regular shipping or express shipping?
Which one is faster?
Express shipping will arrive in 1 day, but it costs more.
I think regular shipping is fine.
No problem. Please place the package on the counter.
Here you go.
Thank you. Did you write the address clearly?
Yes, I checked it twice before coming here.
Great. Everything looks correct.
Do I need to buy stamps for the package?
No, the shipping price already includes the stamps.
That is good. How much is the total?
The total cost is $5.
Okay, I will pay with my card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your package should arrive in 3 days.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.